So first we're going to go with the, we're going to do the sautéed kale with the balsamic vinegar, okay? So in this pan, we're just going to get a nice little hot pan, extra virgin olive oil. Everything's very healthy, light in the olive oil. I like to throw in the mushrooms first, get it like a sear on it to bring out a little bit extra flavor on there. Because if you throw in your garlic first and your onions, then they're typically going to get to that, past that translucent point, and it'll get to more of a bitter, burnt brown by the time your onions get cooked and cooked down and get a nice color on it. So I throw the mushrooms in first, get the color on it, cook them down. Then I'll throw in my garlic and my onions and all my other things. So then it all cooks together around the same time. So basically, when I do a bell pepper, you can do it in one shot, right? You just come down, and you can do it all with getting the stems and everything. And then you save this, and then you got that. So then I'm just doing a simple small dice. Right. And it's just a simple small dice. Okay. We're going to throw our red bell peppers in. Cook them down just a little bit. And the bell peppers have like a lot of fiber and vitamin C. Same with the kale, has a lot of fiber in it. Okay, so then the kale, we just added it in right now and basically just washed it down. You can either pick it off the stem comes right down the middle, and you can pick it. I like to do it by hand. I just do it by hand and come down. I just think it's the nicest way to do it. It's simple, and then you get nice little, bundles and nice little pieces, okay? So right now I got the kale cooking down. We got the mushrooms in there, the bell peppers, the onions. Now we're going to throw in a little bit of balsamic vinegar, right? It sounds a little different, but actually with all the different flavors going in, it balances really well. Now we finish it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little Parmesan. You can do the Parmesan or not put the Parmesan if you want to go with no cheese or anything like that, okay? Okay, and that's basically the braised kale with the mushrooms and bell peppers and onion. Simple dish, healthy, lots of fiber, the mushrooms, it looks beautiful.